Okay, because my son just got his permit.
Oh, he did?
And
There you go.
better if he go to a school because
Yeah, it's better.
father's rough.
Yeah, you can't do that.
I be like,
you can't do that because he doesn't have a second break. It's dangerous.
yeah, but not only that, because see, I learned by my father.
That's my card right there.
And my husband teaching me, but
yeah,
I realized one thing. When it's your loved ones, they rough.
Yes. So you know how I hear all the horror stories all the time.
Yeah, so I said, you know what? I told him, I said, we'll take you out every now and then, but I think I'm going to let you do some classes with them. That way, they'll show you the right way to go on the road.
And we show how to pass the test, too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. If you look at my YouTube channel, I go through the breakdown on how they score you.
Okay.
I show how to do the parallel parking. It's a requirement for the test. The 3-point turn, it's a requirement for the test. It's on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
I've been driving for almost 30 years, 28 years now. I was a bus driver before I started doing this.
Oh, okay. So you
yeah, I got all the experience, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I have been driving buses for 17 years, and I quit about 3 years ago to do this.
Okay, yeah. I've been driving for 40 plus years. So me, I'm not really. I try to guide him, but honestly,
it's hard. It's hard. Yeah.
I need him to get it the right way because my shortcut ways ain't gonna help him.
Yeah.
So okay.
All right. All right. Good luck. Take care. Thank you. It is so beautiful outside. 79 degrees, and we have 3:38 p.m. here in the Bronx. I'm actually in Co-op City right now, about to pick up another student. You know, I've been talking all day, you know, teaching classes and stuff. Give me 1 second, guys.
Anyway, like I was... What the heck? What kind of water is this? It says right here, may cause your voice to change. If you want your voice back, drink again. Enjoy. Oh wow, let's try it out.
Hello, hello. Oh yeah, I got my voice back. Anyway, guys, you know, remember to stay hydrated. You know, on hot days like this, stay hydrated. But anyway, like I was saying, stay tuned for another good video. Take it easy.